Here's Chef Grace. She's very carefully peeling a shallot for this recipe. Up the shallots. Nice, that was a very good cut there, Grace. Tuck your thumb fingers in, that's it. Very nice. We don't like to have fingers with our chicken. And here she is carefully washing each one of those mushrooms. These are just regular white mushrooms. But again, we're looking for a mild taste to complement this. Very nice mushroom cutting, Grace. So that's like a pound and a bit of mushrooms, but really it's to taste. So we got several cloves of garlic, but we like garlic. I'd say about 3 regular sized cloves of garlic. These are really big though. That's enough, Grace. Throw them in with the shallots now. Just gonna put them in with the shallots. Now they're squished. Yeah. Like you meant it, Grace. Now, this is what happened when the chicken crossed the road. He got flattened, right? Isn't that right, Grace? Yeah, we answered that riddle. Good flattening, Grace. Good hammering. Yeah, hit it. Rip it, good. Nice. You get it nice and even throughout, like maybe half an inch. This is some lovely blue Persian salt, coarse, freshly ground. Now that it's flattened, we're putting it on. And coarse ground pepper. We've got multiple different kinds of colored peppercorns in there. That mixed pepper really gives it nice taste. Is that good, Grace? Yeah. Come over here and do this one. Okay, we're switching the avocado oil onto high. And it's going to be almost smoking by the time we put the chicken in there. Right? We use avocado oil for everything. Nicely done, Grace. Spread it out a bit. Yes, very nice. No, that's where you put the chicken, Grace. Put that over there. There you go. Okay, now take the chicken out and put it on the board. It is hot, yeah. Grace. Use both. Yep, take them out. That's it. Nice. Just pick it up. You got it. You got it. One there. And the other one. Oh, such dexterity. We're cooking the rest. We're going to cover it up so it can rest. The meat can rest. Chicken rest. Shallots in. Got some garlic in there too in that bowl. We got it back on high again. That's the same juice that the chicken fried in. All right, give it a stir, Grace. There you go. There you go, just keep it moving, that's it. Very nicely done. Oh, did you, what? Was it hot? What did you touch? Don't touch the pan, it's hot. So we're just gonna brown those a little bit. And we're gonna add the mushrooms. It really did not take long to cook. I mean, we're talking shallots, cook it up quicker than onions, we're cooking like a minute on high.
82.
Right, here come the mushrooms. Might need to add a little extra butter at this point. So here we are, we're sauteing these mushrooms, but in the sauce, and juices in the shallots and the juices from the meat. Keep stirring it, Grace. There you go. Perfect. You got the idea. Just right, yeah. That's it. Keep stirring. Yeah. Nearly time to deglaze. Amontillado sherry. It's nice dry sherry, and we're going to deglaze with it. Dump it in, babe. It's going to taste so good. Maybe another one, and then we'll reduce it just a little bit. Putting capers in too. Just dump the whole bottle in, baby. Tip it upside down. Yep. Shake it. And here is Grace. She's tasting the sauce. What do you think, Grace? So good. Back into the sauce, and now we're going to add some cream and just stir it all together. Add it in, Gracie. We'll start off with like a little more than half a cup. Go. It's good. Now we're going to mix it all around, get the flavors developed together.